Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a makeup video too, and I'm gonna do my like 5 to 10 minute morning routine. I haven't been wearing like a ton of makeup, and I feel like, honestly though, I feel like I do the no makeup every time I do makeup, but that's literally what I wear every day. And this video is sponsored by Merit, which I'm really excited about because Merit is a new makeup line created by Catherine Power, who is one of the co-founders of Who What Wear. And I am very excited because everyone has been raving about it, and then they sent me this product and I've been using it for a little bit now, and I do really love it. It's very up my alley. So I'm gonna show it to you. I have some other products also that I've just been using, but let's just get right into it. You can prime your face if you want. Some primers that I like, I've been using the Malin & Getz Vitamin E Face Moisturizer, which is also can be like a primer. I really also like the Tarte base tape. I was using that for a while. And then of course, Cicapair. This is like blowing up on TikTok now, and I'm like, I've been using this for years. I love it. So the first product, this is very like Vogue bathroom series. The first product I'm gonna use is the Minimalist Stick, and this is in the color Bisque. And it's not really meant to go all over, although you can totally put it all over your face if you want. It's kind of just meant to put in the spots that you need it. My spots are specifically my cheeks. And my skin is like a little more red, obviously because I'm not a purist, than probably normally would be. So I'm putting a little bit more than I would. And I like that you can also use this under your eyes if you want, because it doesn't really settle into your fine lines. And it also has sea daffodil extract in it, which helps with dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Also kind of like that. I do put some on my forehead because I don't like that look where like this part of your face is one color and then your forehead is like your natural undertone. So I don't like that. And then this is their brush number 1, and it is made with vegan bristles. And it is very dense. You can see I've used it a lot, but it's a very dense brush, so it kind of gives you that airbrushed flawless sort of finish, which I really like. And I don't really love using my hands, so this is a great product for me. I'm like, it's not really supposed to go all over your face, and then I just put it all over my face. But it blends so nicely and just really gives you like a very light coverage. But of course, like anything, you can build it up. I especially like this product because they worked with an esthetician to make sure that there are no pore clogging ingredients. And if you know anything about me, before I put anything on my face, I literally look up on like the Mayo Acne Clinic website, I look up whether there are pore clogging ingredients in it. I'm gonna put a little bit more on the places that I feel like I need it. So really just in this area. Can't wait till those acne scars are gone, guys. Right after I'm done a purist, I am lasering that shit off. So I'm just gonna buff that out, more like press that into the skin. And then around my nose is super red because I touch it all the time because skin just like flakes off my nose right now. If you're not caught up, I'm on acne medication. I've been on it for 6 months, so my skin is really dry. But if you don't have raging dark circles under your eyes, congrats. Mine are pretty bad. I don't know if you can tell. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on top because I just feel like I need it. This is the Glossier one in G8. I just really feel like I need some extra coverage. But you could definitely just use that product for concealer as well if you sleep enough. And also a purist really dehydrates you, so the under eyes are struggling. All right. Concealer done. I'm gonna bronze up my face because I don't tan my face and the rest of my body is definitely darker than my face. And I'm gonna use the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I love this stuff. Been using it for like 3 months now. And then I'm gonna blend this out lightly. The key is lightly. I was definitely doing it too hard before, but just really doing it lightly and blending it up. And this is a Benefit Morphe brush. And I just like to put some down my nose as well, and then down my neck and my jawline. Now we're gonna take a quick intermission because my battery's gonna die. Okay, So we're gonna do blush now. This is like their most iconic product. I feel like everyone like takes photos of it because it's just so cute. This is their Flush Balm. And it's just meant to be a really lightweight product. And this is in the color Beverly Hills. These products aren't cakey at all. They're really like lightweight and translucent and just supposed to kind of, you know, look like your natural flush. So I'm gonna put some on my finger and then put it onto my cheek and kind of, again, blending up. But you could also just swipe on. Depends on how much of a rush I'm in, to be honest. Always on the nose. And I like that sun-kissed look, so I kind of go across the nose as well. And like on the apples of my cheek, like I kind of go all up. But definitely focusing on here. Pretty. And then I'm gonna do a bit of powder. You don't have to, obviously. I'm gonna use the Airbrush Flawless Finish by Charlotte Tilbury. I like to just kind of put it on my acne scarring to just kind of like cover it up a little bit more. And then also because my nose is so red and flaky, I just like to put it on my nose. And I'll just put it on my eyes as well. That's really it, just a tiny bit. And then we're almost done the base. Let's do eyebrows. What do I need for eyebrows? I'm just gonna take a spoolie and brush them out. This is their Brow 1980 and it's just like a flexible pomade. Now, do I use eyebrow products a lot? But I didn't even answer my question. Do I use eyebrow products a lot? No, but I do like this one because it kind of just fills in these sparse areas. My brows are already naturally pretty thick, but especially for like nights out or if I'm not doing anything on my eyes. Honestly, or if I am doing my eyes, because sometimes I feel like you need your eyebrows to kind of balance out your eye look. But it's like the perfect color and I have it in the color brown. I'm going to set with the Professional Super Setter. And then my all-time favorite product from this entire collection is the mascara. This is their Clean Lash and it's an everyday mascara. It is just everything that I like in a mascara. I'm not a huge fan of like brand new mascaras because I feel like they're really wet, but this one isn't. It's more of like a, I don't even know if dry is the right word, but it just like isn't clumpy at all. And it adds a lot of volume as well as length, and it just like separates, and it's just literally the perfect daytime mascara for what I like. Comes off with just warm water and it comes off like tubular, if you know what I mean, where you don't have to like scrub your eyes at all. Definitely all-time favorite mascara now. When I'm doing my mascara, I like to just, I just got it all over my face, but I like to fan it out in the corners. And then finally, the tinted lip oil. I love the tinted lip oils. Especially right now, I can't put anything drying on my lips because my lips are already so dry and flaky. So something like this where it's super nourishing, super hydrating, but still gives you that like douse of color, I'm in for it. I'm looking around because I'm looking for my other color of it. But this is in the color Sangria. This is the color Marrakesh. So I love the berry, but because I'm wearing orange, I'm gonna go with the Marrakesh color. It's just super easy to apply. Hydrating on the lips, gives you a little color. Yeah, I ordered a tea and a protein bar. And that's the makeup look. This was, I think, longer than 5 minutes, but I was explaining it to you. You can definitely bang this out in like 8 to 10 minutes, maybe 5 if you're quick. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Merit, for sponsoring this video. Remember to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Love you all. Peace and love. Bye.